Hello friends, thank you for taking the time to stop by. I do have another haul for you today from the Dollar Tree. Maybe a few little Target finds as well, but I also want to show you how I display everything. Now first of all, I want to start by saying thank you for taking the time to stop by, okay? And I also want to show you guys who doesn't love decor, right? But who really has tons of money to spend on decor all the time. And you know, we go to our either Dollar Tree or whatever store that is that you like. It could be the 99-cent store, the Target dollar spot, whatever it is. I'm sure you will find decor that is for less and will look so cute in your house. For example, I want to start with this adorable little basket from the Dollar Tree. I have never seen these. If I have, I must have not been paying attention, but I've never seen these. I'm going to show you 3 types of baskets I saw, and they did have different colors. So this is one of the baskets that I'm using on my decor, and I just added some flowers, but you can even add some bread into it or whatever it is that you like, or you could paint it for your style. But I just thought these baskets are just so adorable because you can use them throughout your decor. So this is another basket that I found. This was more of a brown one that I placed up there with some flowers as well. And then they had this basket here. I don't know if you guys have seen these baskets. They're a good size and to put your little goodies in, or you can even use them for Easter baskets. The possibilities are endless with these baskets, but I just wanted to show you. They had this one. Let me take these flowers out. They had this one and these ones. So I went ahead and picked up the 3 different colors. And if I'm correct, they had like burgundy ones as well. For $1, guys, you can't go wrong. Okay, so this is somewhat a little different from the first look. I took, of course, the horse picture away, and then I added, again, Dollar Tree eucalyptus. I believe it's like 5 feet long. And then this is the little basket I DIY'd. Added more greenery, which looks really pretty to me. Okay, so I could play with the shelf all day long because I just love, you know, rearranging it and fixing it. And this is my basket, dropped a little lower. And then I do have some flowers that have been drying up because I wanted to put them in a frame. So that's kind of what I haven't really gone around to. So I wanted to sneak in my little horse over here. Sometimes, guys, I'm in the mood for, like, you know, just fill it up, why not? And then sometimes I'm in the mood of very, very, very little. So it just depends. Right now I'm really liking all the little green. I believe this here little clock was from Dollar General a while back. The little bunnies here, Target, Dollar Spot, and Dollar General. Dollar General was $1 as well. So have you guys seen these at the Dollar Tree? I was really impressed because they're so big. So these are some of the goodies I got. So I did pick up some of these to go with the little peeps from the Dollar Tree. I figured you could do an Easter basket with those. I did pick up another little basket like I mentioned earlier. And then I got some of these little daisies. Really love how those look. Look how big that pot is. And I believe they had some that look like the terracotta pots as well. I did pick up these letters. They're Bible notes. Thought those were really cute. And I did also pick up this little guy. I believe they had a purple, a blue, if I'm correct. And they also had these wall pocket hangers. I believe in the past they had like some plastic ones. These are not plastic. These are not plastic at all. They will break. So let me see, maybe I could hang one up just to see what it would look like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very cute. That would look really cute in the kitchen. You guys know I love the little picture frames they have there. I love this one as well. He is risen. Let's see how this will look up here. There you go. Maybe I need to add a little bit of black, but that's what that looks like. Love this one as well. And this one, Gathered Together. So I wanted to put this little picture side by side over here. See if that looks cute. Guys, that little pot, I just pinned it on here. The little picture, I just pinned it on here. And I added these little flowers, or greenery, I should say. And I think they look really cute, just to like change up your decor. So of course, if you guys put these little planters in, you can't put nothing too heavy in there. I don't know if I should put one there, one on top, or one on the side. Horse picture. This picture is from the Dollar Tree, and I hope that you guys got some ideas that I purchased some things from Dollar Tree and just wanted to incorporate them in the decor for spring. I hope you like how it turned out.